Hey everyone, Sky here with Big Battery, and I want to introduce to you our line of high voltage golf cart solutions, our 72 volt Falcon kits. These kits were designed with your utility and luxury carts in mind. With 2.1 kilowatt hours of capacity per unit, a compact form factor, and brand new LFP cells, you'll be increasing top speed, range, and acceleration, all while saving space and weight in your cart. And of course, each Falcon comes with all the great safety and accessibility features you've come to expect from a Big Battery battery, including an LED voltmeter, 300 amp safety fuse, and a 175 amp power cable. Plus, the Falcon was designed to match the width of 2 standard lead-acid batteries, so there won't be any spacing issues during installation. But just in case, we've included an elevated base at the bottom of the unit, so there won't be any issues with any separators in your battery tray. And as always, these kits require zero maintenance, they're easily installed, and they're guaranteed to be the lowest cost upgrade kits in their class available today. Check out our Falcon kits at the link in the description below to upgrade your cart beyond what you thought was possible. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit us at BigBattery.com to learn more about our energy solutions.